This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a Paramount Plus app error code 6040. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just follow along. So guys, I have three ways in order for you to fix this error code. So guys, first thing that you need to do is go to your Google Play Store, and from here just search for the Paramount application. And from here, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, the second solution is just go to the settings. Then after that, guys, once you are on the settings, just go to the apps. And then from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So just find Paramount and tap on it. And then from here, guys, just tap on storage. And from here, just tap on a clear cache and also a clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Paramount application error code 6040. But guys, if it still doesn't work, the last solution that you have is reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the app and tap on OK. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store, guys. And then from here, just tap on installed. And then from there, you will be able to fix the error code 6040. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!